Hi there! Meet the Akro-Mils 30,230 AkroBins, durable plastic storage bins perfect for organizing your garage, pantry, or craft space. These stackable bins hold up to 30 pounds and are made from heavy-duty, rust, and waterproof industrial plastic. Their space-saving design features an extra-wide stacking ledge for stability and an anti-slide stop to prevent shifting. The curved bottom hopper front makes retrieving small parts easy and convenient. Customize your organization with optional dividers and label holders, sold separately for tailored storage solutions. Each bin measures 10.5 inches long, 5.5 inches wide, and 5 inches high, making them compact yet spacious. Proudly made in the USA, these bins are perfect for any indoor or outdoor organizing project. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.